morning, guys. I look like a mess, I know. I've just done my yoga. So I tried to do yoga. I will try to do yoga every day. It's only 15 minutes yoga that I try to follow. So I'm gonna try to do that, even if I just give 15 minutes even if I just give 15 minutes to myself just to do yoga, not being distracted with anything else, then I think that's kind of good. Not good enough, but good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take a shower and then go downstairs kasi ang dami kong labahan. Too many clothes to put in the washing machine for laundry, and then start my day, drink coffee and spend time with my husband and Molly. That's my day. Oh, and I was going through my some of my clothes, and because I put my shoes here, some of my shoes, I'm just wearing them. Well, hey ho, it is what it is. I don't know, it just makes me feel better. Look at this shoe. Like, so sparkly. What is that? Oh, that is just the tag. Like, how sparkly is that shoe? It's so pretty. And then the red shoe, obviously. I love this. I wore this last year on our Christmas party with the Filipinos. And this one, I think I wore this on, I can't remember, but I had this for 3-4 years now. It's so comfortable. And this one, yes, it looks so like it looks so uncomfortable, but no, it's very comfortable. The shoe, like, you can literally wear this all night and dancing all night. Like, it's very, very comfortable. Oh, I'm in love with that shoe. It's so pretty. And this one, I think I had this for too long now. I think I need to give this to my cousin now because I don't really wear this anymore. And then my other shoe, that one, this is very, very comfortable as well. You can wear this all night and it's so comfy. And there's some more shoes underneath there, but I can't be bothered to go through them. I just miss wearing my shoes. It's pathetic. It's so pathetic. It's, as it sounds, but I just miss it. But what can you do? You can't do anything. Anyway, that's that. I need to move on now. I need to take a shower. Waving him and say, hey, can you put us in the washing machine now? So yeah. Kakatapos ko lang ligo, guys. Patingin ko sa inyo kasi summer na today, kaya happy ako kasi nagsusuot lang kami ng pang summer clothes. Hindi summer, spring. Kaya naka-shorts na ako. Shorts at saka white top na naman. Mahilig ako sa white kapag mainit na. Mahilig talaga ako sa white. Kaya makikita niyo mga videos ko, lagi akong naka-white. Mahilig talaga ako mag-white kapag summer na siya. Laba tayo. Lalaba tayo. Hindi ko maintindihan. Bakit ang dami kong labahan? Hindi naman ako lumalabas. Bihis kasi ako ng bihis. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hi! Good morning. Tumatakbo kasi siya. Hinahanap niya ako. Good morning, Papa. Good morning. Maglilinis lang ako ng conservatory namin. Ang lang itong wipes. Kailangan ko mag-sweep din. Ano ba yun? Ayan. Kasi kailangan linisin yun. Kasi madumi. Paaraw pa rin siya. windows, guys. Kahit may tagalinis kami ng windows, nililinis pa rin niya. Diba siya? Ganyan siya ka ano, ganyan siya kalinis. Where's Molly gone? Molly, where's Dada? Molly! There's Molly! She's going the wrong way. Molly! Oh my goodness. Ito pala yung race course. Kung saan dito talaga namin ninanala si Molly. Kami lang. Ang aking mga lupain. Joke. Yeah. Quiet, diba? Ikot tayo, ikot. Welcome sa aking race course, guys. Ang aking lupain. Ang mga kabayo, nilagay ko muna sila doon. Somewhere. Yung mga kabayo. Pinapark ko muna sila doon, okay? Ay, naku. Ari-ari. Molly, you're supposed to get the ball. Why am I getting the ball? Molly, move. Ready, ready, wait. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Run.
Molly. Come on, Miles.
Hello.
Molly. Hey. Yeah. Ready.
Oh my. Hi guys. Mainit na naman. It's nice and sunny. It's warm. Sana ba yung Molly namin? Ayan o. Ano si Molly o? June. Molly, come on. Molly mo. Inan nyo. June. Napaka-green niya talaga. I don't know why. Ako lang ba? O napaka-green niya talaga. Kasi wala masyadong tao. Kami lang. Naglalakad. Wala akong makita ng ibang tao dito. Kami lang ng asawa ko. And si Molly. Molly, come on! You know. Ding, 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 ding. Ay, nako. By the way. Natatawa ako kasi naka-live ako. Hinahayaan ko yung live ko. Nasa ano. Nakaharap siya sa garden. Tapos tini-check ko siya. Ang naririnig ko na mga ingay, yung mga ibon, mga bata. Kasi doon sa likod, may ali siya. May dumadaan. Hindi pinapatay ni Lolo. Lolo, salamat naman sa mga nag-BG. Ayun. Kasi nalala ka namin si Molly. Molly. Pwede kami lumabas isang beses isang araw, okay? For exercise. Kaya naglalakad kami. Akong bunao, gasinaw. Sinaw-sinaw pa more. Shush. Shush. Oh. Dini-delay niya talaga lahat. Come on, let's go! Shush. 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 Dada, please come in. She's off. No. Ay, nako, Molly.
Ready. Catch it.
Where's the ball? Oh. How do I do it? Up in the air. Ready? Molly, ready? 1, 2, 3. too hot for Molly. Come on then, quick rest. Hanap lang ako ice cream. Sobrang init dito, guys. I need ice cream. Where's my ice cream? Ice cream tayo. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream snack, guys. Hello. Hello.